fast it works. I've got a sloped driveway, so it's just easier for me to pull it back up, and you know, instead of having the paddles and me pushing it back up the hill, even though it's just a slight slope, it's kind of icy, so it's just easier. See how fast that was? I mean, now, you know, most of my driveway's done, and then I'll bring out my 2-stage HSS928. I want to attack I haven't used it before, so I want to attack the berm with it. The single stages is not good for the berms or really deep snow. 10 inches or less maybe. It's really great in powder snow. If it was really wet and slushy, it might have a little bit of problems. But this was only 6 inches, so it worked pretty well. It only took me, what, 5 minutes? Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the 928 attacking the berm. Thank you.